So I'm going to put the chain guard on and then work on the speedometer. Interesting. All right, so what's your view? All right, your view is pretty good. All right, so this guy has to go down here, right like that. That guy goes down in there like that. That's good. All right, now, let's see if this works. This is what I like to do. I take a short 7/16 wrench socket, put a little heck paper in it, works. Little paper towel deal here. And stick the nut in it so that the paper holds it in place. See, this is going so easy. Like so, okay? There it goes. Okay, now the washer's in place. Now I take a really long extension. See if I can't start this from the other side of the bike. And it is started. Now, it's so much easier when Kevin's here. They couldn't have put a captive bolt on here, or captive nut. No, that would be too easy. All right. All this to put one nut on one bolt on a chain guard. Doesn't seem right, does it? Okay. There you go. That's the easy way. Unless somebody tells me otherwise. All right, now, this next little bolt, last little bolt, is redundant, I think. This is where the old chain oiler used to mount. Don't use chain oilers anymore. Everybody takes the chain oiler off and takes this out, but it's a nice spacer, and I expect it holds down vibration. Maybe let's be charitable and say it holds down vibration. Oh, come on. There it goes. Washer's already back there, so I don't know. That must be what we refer to as an extra washer. Yeah, so you don't look at my back anymore. Okay.